Now we will demonstrate how to set up SAANS in resuscitation mode. We will require the following components: SAANS device, power cord, oxygen hose with DIN connector and bullnose regulator, test lung, TP circuit, donut mask size 0 and size 1. Now connect the power cord into the port provided in the back panel of the device. Unlock the oxygen coupler by pulling up the lock and plug in the oxygen hose to the device. Connect the opposite end of the oxygen hose with the bullnose regulator to the cylinder. Rotate the regulator valve clockwise to set the oxygen flow. Ensure the regulator output is set to 15 lpm. Open the patient output cap from the device and switch on the device. Now you'll see the battery percentage and different modes in the device. Rotate the knob to select resuscitation mode and gently press the knob to select the mode. Now you will see resuscitation mode with PEEP, PIP and FiO2. Connect the TP circuit to the patient output of the device with the conical connector. Connect one end of the pressure sampling tube to the TP circuit and the other end to the sampling port of the device. Connect the test lung to the end of the TP circuit to complete the circuit. You can set the PEEP between 2 to 10 centimeters of water, PIP between 5 to 30 centimeters of water, and FiO2 between 21% to 100% as required. After setting the desired values, use the knob to navigate to the start button and gently press to start the therapy. First, the device will start calibrating PEEP. This will take 5 to 10 seconds. Ensure the PEEP valve is open. After the PEEP calibration is complete, the device will start PIP calibration. For this calibration, close the PEEP valve using your thumb. The calibration will take 5 to 10 seconds. Once the calibration is complete, the therapy will start. The device will provide visual information to compare the set and actual values. Now disconnect the test lung and connect the donut mask to the TP circuit. Place the donut mask over baby's mouth and nose, ensuring a complete seal to deliver therapy. Breath rate is controlled manually. Blocking the valve will deliver PIP and opening the valve will deliver PEEP. The pause button will pause the therapy. The resume button will resume the therapy. The modify button will modify the parameters. The start button will start the therapy. The stop button will stop the therapy.